pretty much every pair gapped higher at the weekly opening, and as you can see, many of those gaps remain unfilled. I have a rule about gaps, weekly opening gaps, right? And that rule says that if the gap does not get filled in the first 3 hours of trading, it's impossible to predict when it's going to get filled. It could be filled in the same day, in a week, in a month, in a year, or never. So if you are betting on this gap to be closed these days, you are maybe in the wrong side of the market. So beware of that. 3 hours, the first 3 hours of trading after the weekly opening, that's the time to fill the gap. If the gap that does not get filled, then the situation turns to risk. Anyway, pair is trading at its highest for this year. As you can see, we are levels last seen in a spike in December, right? I'm paying a lot of attention to the daily chart because the price is managing to settle and advance above the 200 exponential moving average. We have been below it for very, very long, right? And my key resistance right now is the 930 region, as it's the 61.8% retracement of the post-US election decline, right? So that's my main bullish target these days. I believe that if we break above it, we can surely go to test 110, right? And that's the match I can see in the euro. If US data continues to disappoint, and on the other hand, we hear much more jawboning coming from the euro area about the possible tapering of easing, well, then the pair will probably go past 110, and I guess 112, I believe 112 is the next probable bullish target, but right now it seems too far away from me. I'm watching this 930 and 110 for this week as probable top, okay? And towards the downside, well, we have February high at 828. We have the 50% retracement of the decline at 120. And if you take a look at this chart, you will see multiple daily highs in the region. So overall, this is my main support. That means that it will take a clear break, maybe below 790, right? 800 or 790, to deny the possibility of further gains and see a deeper corrective move, in which case 730 would be the level I will be watching because it has been a huge resistance, and it's now for me a big support. And followed by the 700 area. Both are quite close, so this 700, 730 region should contain decline in the euro to keep the bullish trend alive, right? And understanding this 150 downward move as a correction in the middle of this newborn bullish trend, okay? So that's the last line for me towards the downside, 700, the last one towards the upside, it's 110 right now, okay?